Hey guys, so I just got changed and took a shower. I'm gonna edit this, but I'm gonna take you guys downstairs. This is a long dress from Amazon. I saw one girl walking around today with a long dress. She looked so amazing. Where was that? I forget. But she looked so good. I didn't really see her. I just saw she was wearing like a long dress. That was in Glendale. So I'm gonna finish this last and third double quarter pounder. I'm sorry for ranting and ranting. And then I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Michael's um, down in my car. So yeah, I'm taking my car in for a full detail tomorrow at the dealership, and so they can send me my plates. I kind of have a school event going on every day this week. I'm really, really, really happy, and that's not the way I wanted to say, but I did get so much financial aid and help to go back to school, especially with COVID. So if you're thinking about going back to school, you should definitely go back to school. And let's see, I might put this at the beginning of the video and then put the rest at the end of the video and just like edit it really crazy. But the only editing software that I'm using right now until I get like the laptop that they're gonna send me and everything is like free video cutting tools on Google. Yeah, so I'm going to be finishing an associate's degree in music production, and they're sending a laptop, a microphone, and I think that's it. So, what else? I got my iPad fixed again. I told you guys. I accidentally broke it right before I started making a video. So now it's fixed. They gave me like $25 off because I went in like 3 days late. And here's someone don't crack it anymore. Songs that have been stuck in my head within the past like 3 days is WAP. Whatever TikTok song that is, that's like a happy mood song. I don't know what it's called. And I think that's it. I was listening to Chris Brown all the way to the dentist office. My favorite Chris Brown song right now is Overtime. I'm gonna make a choreo to my bed. And I was walking around Forever 21. I went to the Glendale Galleria, and I love the Glendale Galleria a lot for how it looks and its layout and the store choices. I was walking around Forever 21 while they were playing Break Up With Your Girlfriend, and I literally felt like I was like mid-dance. And my favorite dancer from that video, it's the Hamilton Evans choreography, was Trinity, because she's like a super athlete. Like she goes training at these like parkour gyms and gymnastics gyms, and she's just insane. She's really young. I think she's only 18 or 19. I was looking for underwear, but they didn't have any. Because from Amazon, I got all cotton underwear, uh, cute underwear, and thongs, and then like 8 pairs of shorts and like everything else. But um, they were all too big. I ordered them in mediums, and then somehow they were all too big. It's just funny how hard it is to find clothes. I will say I never give guys like a really hard time about my weight and how I look. And I was talking about that a lot yesterday because I know it's bothering, like, from my friends to guys to everything. It's bothering me. My attitude towards like something that seems irrelevant. I do get down though sometimes. Too, yeah, I was like, oh, I should just be vegan. But then I was thinking about McDonald's all day. I'm like, do I want to risk getting in a car accident? No. Very much. Very much. Mhm. So from Amazon, I'll probably order a couple of those again. But I'll probably order all of them again as long as they're in my size. But I also feel like some of them could be extra small. I just start washing them a lot because I'm supposed to be running every day, like going on runs. And I don't want them to be falling down. Like the pants I just had on now are too big for me. And I bought them within like 1 minute of seeing them. And they fall down a lot. And then it's really awkward to like walk around. I'm almost done. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So also I'm going to be finishing a certification for fashion from a nice school. Once I get back from the scholarship, I'll probably talk more about it. And so I'm going to show you guys what I got. Start my journey. I spent a lot at Michael's today. I spent over $200 at Michael's. I was like, okay, my unemployment is paying for this, and then I have to go back to work. hmm But hopefully, you guys have been having really good days and times, and I appreciate your comments and um, subscribes. I was just, let's see, what time does it start? At 6. So around 6 I have to get offline, so in about an hour. So yeah, I'll probably just order the clothes again. They're just like different colors, so I don't remember. Did you know that Robert Pattinson from Twilight makes music? Hmm. Yep, I like the song Never Think. I felt so weird today. So now, as we continue onward, I think I have matcha donuts in the fridge right now too from Little Tokyo. Let me show you guys part of the stuff that I got from Amazon, and then I'm gonna go take you guys downstairs to my parking garage and show you my building and what I got from Michael's, or I'm just going to bring it all upstairs and then show you guys here, which is probably what I'll do. Probably. So, um, I'll just walk over here. Okay, so I got this kit for micro needling from Zest Beauty, and it comes with a derma roller, vitamin E oil, and a bunch of little goodies that the other kits don't come with. So I like it. And then I got the Thank You Next bracelet, and I got this, which I'll actually wear this downstairs just to be stylish. But it's the Ariana Grande face mask, like bandana with the red bunnies. It's pretty cool. See. It's pretty cute. It's gonna stay. I might put this in here, I guess. Oh no. I think I'm supposed to fold it a little bit. Oh. So yeah. So what this looks like. I guess it would look cool with like a scarf and like a jacket and stuff. But yeah. It's pretty awesome. There's another multicolored one as well. And yeah. So I might wear it downstairs. I might. It's cute right here. Okay. Yeah, I'll just take you guys with me just to see how this goes. So I'm gonna just put on like some black shoes really quick. So I'm gonna come back and do some work. The other books that I have right now, besides those two, and I want to mount my TV as well, is 1 Million Followers by Brendan Keane, How I Built a Massive Social Following in 30 Days, and Provenance by Anne Leckie, which is a type of space novel. So I'm excited to read them. But yeah. And then we have these two books. I always have at least like 5 to 8 books around. If I don't get around to reading them, then that's my fault. Oh, I have all my books there in the closet. Yeah, okay, let me show you guys stuff. Some of my my YouTube videos back in college was literally just me on my phone. I would like post them. Okay. So yeah. Okay, I love books too. I don't want to dirty them. So let's try not to touch the books. Well, oh, my hands are greasy. Yeah, so if you go into Amazon 4-star, I really like it because they're stocking like what's popular on Amazon and stuff that people already are buying a lot. And then yeah, these are so cute. Oh, I can't wait to read this. This is like the 4 agreements for me. This looks so good. It looks very easy to read as well, and I love the cover. And this, I don't eat pomegranate, but I thought this was not even what it was. I thought that this was a new series from Stephanie Meyer, and I was like, I'm kind of interested to read it, but then I picked it up after I talked with the guy, and I read this, and I was like, what is this? I'm like, this must still be, and then I opened it, and I'm like, oh no, this is definitely still Twilight. So, Scott Moon. Let's just see if we can find anything super awesome to talk about. It's got a nice little statuesque type vibe. For the last 15 years, that's cute. I hope that in the years that have passed, you've all found your dreams and that the reality of them was even better than you'd hoped. So yeah, first sight, open book, risk, visions, invitations, blood type. Syndrome. This is from Edward's point of view. See, I really feel like I should read this. I feel like this is going to be really interesting. I read from Guy's point of view too. Wow, she looks really pretty in this. Oh, I like the host. I read the host too. I like the host as well. I like the cover art for the host. I actually don't know what she looks like, I feel. It was 2005, guys, and she sold 160 million copies worldwide. She's in Arizona. Cool. It's fun. Okay, let me show you guys this stuff. I don't know. I feel like I should bring it downstairs and just like make this video again. Upstairs. I got my key from Kimi. Oh yeah. And the other thing, this is a cute little service. Really well packaged. How cute is that? Even though I don't want to use keys. Because keys are like credit cards, bro. And it's way too much to carry and lose. So yeah. Oh yeah, the other thing that I got in the mail that I really really love, and I feel like this place like deserves a shout out, is Nicola Valenti jewelry. You guys might see this in Instagram ads, and I would say if they're offering you a deal to go ahead and do it, because I got my teardrop earrings, which are so pretty. Put them on for you guys right now. And I love the design of this guy's shop. And his last name is Valenti, which is like Valentine's Day, so I like it. Oh, these are nice. These are pretty. But yeah, so it's really cute. I just have an old chain from the Britney Spears, like the Zone jewelry that was sold at the end of the experience, and so I got her little dog tag with the signature on the back, and some sweatpants and like something else, I think. But I want to get like a nice silver chain for the dog tag, and then I've been looking at the gold supply for like custom silver or gold jewelry, like with an image inside of it. My heart is kind of set on that, and then I have like these dark red jewelries on the way. I've been tripping on my words as well. And then I got this little guy. I think this is rose gold. It's pretty. So it will go with this a little bit better, but yeah, I need a jewelry stand. So this looks like a phoenix to me. It's like kind of like a phoenix mixed with a Patronus mixed with a like a jewelry shop. Okay, I'm gonna go downstairs with you guys. I feel like if I go downstairs, there's gonna be a lot of people. My other favorite piece of jewelry right now is this. This is from Icy Pristine, and I really like it. It's not the most like expensive quality of like the silver, but I think it's really cute. Okay, here we go downstairs. And I'm gonna take my trash. And I'm gonna put this on so you guys can see this in different lightings. I don't like ruining my hair, so. Yeah, I was watching Jen and Juice's live yesterday. Super jello of their relationship dynamic. Okay, so I folded it. Okay. Alright, let's go. Let's go downstairs. I need my keys and more coffee for sure. I'm gonna have another huge coffee, I promise you guys. And I'm gonna just live my extra life. This backpack's getting really old. Yeah. This is my keychain set right now. My sister was huge on like creating these big fancy keychains. So I have a pepper spray. This is the Hogwarts Express, a Barbie mobile, I guess, and a Tesla. Okay, here we go. I don't think this is gonna stay. Oh, no, it's not. Oh yeah, the other thing that I got that I should show you guys is this. It's a painting, or not a painting. It's a print of some photos I took recently. And this is actually in this apartment. So yeah, I kind of like it. I feel like this one does look a little like, oh, she didn't really think that through, but it celebrates my tattoo and my experience here in Koreatown. And then this picture, I just really like it because I feel like it just conveys my um, softer side well. I'm not sure. Okay, so here we go. I do have difficulty breathing in the mask. I feel like in public too, people can hear me like breathing into my mask. Like I feel like a lot of time when I'm out in public, I'm just like listening to myself in my mask. Whew. I also ordered a second waist trainer for going on runs and like 6 basic long sleeve shirts. Oh yeah, and I have to tell you guys about this stuff too. I will tell you guys about this like tomorrow or in 5 days or something like that. Okay, let me show you guys this stuff. Anyway, everything arrived like within the same 3 days, so either got delayed or had to reorder. Yeah, my cat got out of the like porch area, and I like ran all the way back here, and then I ran to here, and my angel. It's definitely falling off. I think it needs some kind of like sticky, like some kind of material in the neck, like compression material. Oh yeah. Oh. Is this still working? Okay. Elevator. I feel like I live in Thailand in this dress. Whew. But I had a really good workout on the treadmill not long ago. Okay, let me show you guys stuff. It's my garage. Way too many things to carry. I was gonna have my friend help me carry them up, but I think with recording it, I could probably do it myself. Okay. So look at my parking spot. It puts me directly under this thing. It's my beautiful baby Prius. Okay, so I got. Let me just show you guys some of it right now, and then I'll grab as much as I can. Okay, so I got 5 canvases. These are $10 right now. There's a lot of good sales going on. I got this super cute sewing basket. Can't really see it. Yeah. It's a lot. It's a Lux Studio easel art set. Okay, let's try to carry some of this. I got a bunch of sketchbooks, a bunch of like Halloween decorations. I'm gonna leave this stuff that I'm telling you guys and just take the bags. But I also got this like organizer for my place. And yeah. Got some mini canvases. I think I'm gonna mix up this up. sharing like these bigger things. So this is my favorite thing I got. We'll leave that there for now. And that studio set's really cool. It comes with a bunch of paints and like a portable easel and stuff. Oop, hopefully you guys can hear me. Let me go back to my apartment right now. Get the rest of it later. Alright. The air from the mask is getting a noise. Okay. Actually grateful for this mask so you guys don't see me struggling. Okay. We can open this. Yay! I gotta be careful with this stuff. My ankle. We're back. Sometimes I have to do this just to knock the door. Anyone responsible? Oh, Angel, no. No, Angel. Okay, let me show you guys what this stuff is. So much fun. Thank you, Uber and Lyft, for always providing me income if I need it. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, I'm sweaty. Okay. Okay, this is what I got. Okay, for Halloween, and I did this with Gabby DeMartino in mind. And the lights outside are broken, so they don't even work. I got the spider icicle lights. I got, this is my candy bowl. It is a pink pearl spider tub. So spiders. Spiders is the thing. If no one knows, my granddad and my grandparents have such a nice house, and my granddad, what he did was you guys might have seen this hack way back when if you read like Halloween magazines for like ideas and stuff, but you basically fill up a balloon with air and then you put a full-size glow stick and then you hang it by strings, and it's like spider eggs. So he did that all the way down his driveway, and then over the house was like the webs and the spiders like all crawling up the house. It is so cool. It's my favorite. And then these are buy one get one 50% off. So I ended up getting these two after looking through all of them and getting into artist mode in Michael's. I got this mixed media one for fashion sketches and painting on small scale. And So these are for my fashion sketches mainly, and then this sketchbook is for anything at all, like any random thing, like sets, like whole like 4 or 5 like outfits, and that's what's in my mind about these. And then you also get 30% off everything, and then most everything is either like 40% off or like in there. So just sign up for the Michael's text messages, and I got this classic wooden palette set, which was only $6. And these, like typically, like the full size of these were $20, but in this set it comes with it, so $6 for like this little Bob Ross type feel. And then we have this is really inexpensive as well. It's the palette paper, so to mix paints, because I do struggle with painting. I want to be better at painting. I love painting. I'm trying to buy the appropriate tools to paint. And the mini canvases. There's a TikToker I follow who does like a whole avocado or eye or like one object and then just makes it super bright and pop arty, and I really like his work. So I'm gonna use this. What I was thinking of doing actually was getting a pumpkin to paint the pumpkin for my porch. And then I just got some school supply bag. This for like people who come over who want to paint with me. This is only $1. All the back to school stuff right now too is 30% off. So I got a ruler with a hole puncher, and I got scissors, just so cutting fabric and anything else is a lot easier. I should have got the 2-pack now that I'm thinking about it, but I'm sure there's like fabric scissors that exist or something. And then full set of colored pencils, because colored pencils and paint is really pretty if you take the time to do it. And then I got these index cards, and I think that's it. I think that's everything I got. Yeah, it is. I feel itchy. I feel like a bug already just got me right now. But yeah, so I feel pretty prepared. I'm gonna fill this up with actually like vegan candy. So if anyone knows like super awesome special vegan candies that I should order from Amazon or something, let me know, because the only mainstream vegan candies I know is Sour Patch Kids, which I'm totally fine with this being all Sour Patch Kids. Like Swedish Fish, if colored, the red color is not bugs. And what else? Dark chocolates would be really good in this. Like, I don't know what kind of candy I even like. I don't even really like candy, so I probably just put the Sour Patch Kids. But yeah, I kind of like this. I think it is a little overpriced. It's like $17. I did get it 30% off, but I would say it's a little overpriced. It does have like a few little scratches in the paint and stuff, but I'm alright with it because of the what color does it say? It's like a rose. No, it's blush, like a blush white, and the spider looks good and it's cute. So that's it. That's everything I was going to show you guys, and I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll be back sometime later when I'm busy again or not busy or something. I'm not sure. Next plan, I guess, is to really focus on school and get a camera. I'll show you guys these clothes. Now I know I have a little bit of time. This probably is going to be like an hour-long video, but this was all the clothes that came from Astoria. I highly suggest it. I haven't even opened them yet, but like I already really love them. I love the colors, and I just really like it. So I got a whole thing of lavender. It's my Ariana Grande set right here. So I have the bra, the pants, and the shirt. And I got the Peaches set, which I actually got it not because of Peaches, the personality, but it has like holes in the sleeves, and it's a really nice color for Instagram. And that's when I reached out to Jasmine Suss. I did get Jasmine Suss's resistance bands in the mail, and they match so well with this. So like, I'm really excited to try to make some video worthy content with these clothes. I think this is like a black. Oh wait, this is like a sapphire pants, and this is the hot pink like shorts and shirt, and this was kind of inspired again by Vicky's workouts recently, and what she wears. And yeah, so that's it. And yeah, I'm done. Well, I hope you guys have a good day, and yeah, enjoy. What, September is coming up? My birthday is coming up. Oh my gosh, my birthday is September 29th, and my sister's birthday is like next week. And I've been talking to my mom a little bit. And yeah, if you haven't found me on Facebook yet, find me on Facebook and Instagram. My Instagram is my full name, Danielle Nicole Baker. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and give me suggestions on what I should do, where I should go, where I should shop, and what I should be listening to.